The DBA is really designed for middle and senior managers and leaders in all kinds of organisations who have crucially got sufficient experience to bring a significant strategic problem to be researched on the DBA. The key thing is that students come with an issue, a real life issue, that we will then help them apply theory to actually make a difference back in their organisations. So you might be a senior manager in the health service, you might be a middle or senior manager in any public sector or private sector organisation, you might be an owner manager or a director of a small or medium-sized enterprise or a charity or not-for-profit. But the key thing is you come with an inquisitive mindset, you come with an issue, a real life issue that you can research to go back to your organisation and make a difference to practice.